Good morning! It's the 3rd of December and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you're just joining us for the advent calendar, every single morning at 9 AM 10-minute video, I will leave a little card up in the corner. It's going to be there for the playlist, so you can start at 1, then you'll watch number 2, and then you can come back. I will tell you good morning and happy 3rd of December all over again. I'm going to add a little decoration to my display for you today. How gorgeous is that? That is a Swarovski little Christmas dog. I love Swarovski so much. Since I was 15, that's when I bought my first ever ornament. It was this tiny little owl. It's packed away somewhere, so I would have showed you if I can, but it was this like weird looking little owl that I bought. Oh, that's cute. Because I wanted to start a collection, and now I've got quite a big collection of Swarovski crystals, and I just love that. So starting off the episode with a gift suggestion for you. So for any girl that likes sparkles, they do jewellery as well. Actually, this ring that I'm wearing right now, that was a present from Hugo. That is Swarovski, and I mean, you can't tell that it's not diamond. Like, that's how beautiful and perfect it is. Honestly, if you're stuck for a present for a girl that loves sparkles, Swarovski. Like every morning, I have pre-boiled my cup of tea. So just squeeze that in between Mr. Dog and Mr. Flower. And then we get out the Puka advent calendar. Number 3, number 3. 3 is my favourite number, by the way, if anyone was interested. The first one. First one is always the last one you see, isn't it? I've never liked that saying, you know, it's always the last place you look. Yeah, of course, because you're not going to continue looking, are you? Okay, so today we get the Supreme Matcha Green. And it says, a vital wellspring of organic whole leaf green tea and the finest matcha. Let's see if this one's better than yesterday, because yesterday it was bath water. That was literally what it was. Oh, this smells nice. Very fresh, very green. It smells like a powder I used to put in my smoothies. I'm literally pushing this up my nostril. Right, I'm just going to put it in here. And like every morning we need some chocolate with our tea. My lit advent calendar. Santa, little reindeers. The hunt begins again. There we go. Right down in the corner. Another one of these little chocolates. So I'm curious about something. So in Norway and Sweden and Denmark, I feel like it's a Scandinavian thing. Every single Christmas or every single December, you will not go without an advent calendar on TV. So like a series. Like I'm doing now, kind of, but not quite. So it will almost be like a movie, but it's split up into episodes. So 1st of December is episode 1, and so on and so forth. When I was a child, there's obviously always directed towards children at specific advent calendars. So there would be one that was about little Santas, and then one year there was one called Christmas in Blue Mountain. And then they made the adult version of that, which was Christmas in Blood Mountain, which was a parody. And there was also one year they did like a reality show. So it was just like a reality show, but it was called The Santas in the Barn. I'm going to put some pictures up so you can see. I have never heard, and I was asking Hugo's dad the other day if they had something similar, and they don't. They like... England does Christmas specials of things, so like, you know, you had Blackadder back in the day and they'd do like a Blackadder Christmas special, but they don't do the advent calendar episode from 1 to 24 or 1 to 25 that we do. So I'm very interested. Is anyone watching, not from obviously a Scandinavian country, that also do that? Let me know, because I'm really curious. Right, let's try this green matcha tea. Yeah, it's alright. Doesn't taste like much. If you're a lover of green tea, I think this would be quite nice. It's got quite a subtle green tea taste. I'm not a massive fan of that, like, bitter green tea. I need a bit more flavour. Okay, number 3. Number 3. Okay, so it's another long one. There we go. It says lanes. The Lanes. Emmeline Pankhurst founded the Women's Social and Political Union in 1903 to campaign for women's right to vote, becoming the leader of the British suffragette movement. I know what that is. Ooh, it's from the Youth collections. This is the Youth Concentrate Sheet Mask with 3 plant stem cells, Edelweiss from the Italian Alps, Sea Holly and Christie Marine from Brittany Coast. Definitely a fly in here. Instant hydration after 15 minutes, skin looks fresher, bouncier, healthier. Biodegradable sheet mask. So I might keep this for me. Or maybe I'll pop this in somebody's Christmas present. To add something like this, maybe if you feel like you're missing something for someone, like sheet masks, obviously if they're into sheet masks. Also, I have another Christmas gift idea for you. Bear with me, I know this is going to be quite cliche and you're going to think like, oh, that's not very inventive, is it? But personalised gifts. You can personalise anything. Like you can put names on cups, you can engrave things on bracelets, on little flasks, on glasses. I remember I engraved a gin, no, not a gin, a whiskey tumbler for somebody. I can't remember who got it, but I engraved it with their name and it was like properly done nice. And there's so many websites that do this. Now, bear in mind that some of them are not amazing quality. Obviously do your research, make sure you check reviews. Not last year, but the year before, Yankee Candle had this thing where you could put pictures on the candle and like choose the scent and then choose a picture and then a little message on the bottom. Brilliant! I bought candles for everyone! Literally, my mum, my grandma, my sisters, they all got a candle each with a picture. So on the candles I put family pictures on there, and then obviously it's just that nice little extra touch for a Yankee Candle. And I don't think it was much more expensive than your normal large candle, and I'm sure you'll find other, it doesn't have to be Yankee, obviously Yankee is quite a pricey candle, but you can probably find different ones. I also, the first year that I felt I am an adult now, I've bought everybody their own Christmas presents. Listen, do you know what I got everyone? Towels with their names engraved on them, and I thought I had literally given everyone the best Christmas present they'd ever had in their life, because it was a towel and it was theirs and it had their name on it and they all had different colours. It's something that is nice to have. I would say if you wanted to get a towel, get a hand towel and maybe some other toiletry stuff, you know. If you go to Boots, they'll have, you know, those little gift sets from God knows where. Like all the brands will have little Christmas packages that you can put together with like deodorants, creams and stuff, and then you can put a little like engraved towel on there. I'm laughing because this year there were something like 15 packets of towels with names under the Christmas tree, and I was so proud. Oh my word. Anyway, remember to check in with yourself today. Try and see if you can get that Christmas spirit. Listen to some Christmas songs. Have some Christmas tea. I mean, I'm hoping that somewhere in my Pukka calendar there'll be a chai or a vanilla or something cinnamony. I need it in my life. I need cinnamon, I need cakes, I need gingerbread. I need to open all of them. Have you seen my highlight today? Pow, pow. I could take someone's eye out with this highlight. If you want to know what this is, it's a mix of the Kiko Milano Holiday Collection face palette and Extreme Chrome from Maybelline. That's the mix I've got. Oh my word. Oh, it's like I've got a face of gold. Maybe I should just do my whole face like that. Stop the narcissism. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Give me a little like, thumbs up, a little comment down below would be amazing. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and make sure you ring that notification bell so you get notified when the new episode comes up. And I will see you tomorrow for more tea, for more advent calendars, and for more chat about Christmas. Have a lovely, lovely day.